All right, welcome back. Here's a question. So now I want to explain how to solve significant figure and decimal place. Because sometimes they will give you a question, they will say leave the answer in two or three decimal place or in two significant figures. So now let's see how to solve it. Let's continue. So now let me see solution. Number one, we put number one. Number one, they say round 3.146 to two decimal place. So now let's do it and see. So now we have 3.1. Now they say to what? To two decimal place. So now this is second decimal place, this is first decimal place, this is second decimal place. So now, and since this is to round up, it's not to round down. So we'll put what? We'll put 5. We'll round up 1 and join it to the 4. It will become 5. So now this is what? This is the answer. This is the answer for number 1. 3.15. If you want to what? If you want to round it up to what? To 2 decimal place. So now let me show you something. When you have 5 above, like 5 above to 9, 5 to 9, that is what? That is, you need to what? To round up. Like now, as you have 6 here, you will round up to add 1 to this 4. But when you have 4, when you have 4, 3, 2, 1, what you will do there is that you will leave it, you will not round up. In case, if here is 4, like now they say this place now, this 6 is 4, I'll only write 3.14, I will not round up. Do you understand? That is how it is. But if it is 5 and above, you will round up. You need to round up. Now you you will turn this one to become 1 and join it to this 4 or to the number that is follow that the number is following. So now let's continue. So now, so this is the answer for number 1. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, they say round 7.8321 to 3 decimal place. Now they say to 3 decimal place for this one. So let's see. We'll have 7, we have 8. This one is first, and this 1 decimal, second decimal, 3 is the second decimal, then 2 is the third decimal. So now this is the answer for number 2. 1 is less. I show you from the beginning. 1 now, 1 is less, so you will leave it, you will not round up. But if parameter here is 5, you will round up, this play will become 3. So now you will leave your answer like this: 7.832 in what? To 3 decimal place. So now let's go to significant. When it comes to significant, number 3, let me write number 3 here. You have 0.00. Now they say to 2 significant figures. Now these zeros will not count them because what? They are at the back. They are the starting, so you can't count the zeros. The significant figures are those numbers that are non-zeros. So now, but now zeros in between of the non-significant figures, like this one, let me put it, like if you have 0 like this. So these zeros now are significant figures. But if it's like this, these zeros now, they may be significant figures, they may not be significant figures. That is just it. But now, they may say now, this one can be 1 significant figure, 2 significant figure, 3 significant figure. That is the way it is. But like this now, since this one, these zeros, what you will do here is that you will first write the 3 zeros, then you will now count the 2. We have this one is the first significant figure, this one is the second. Since this one is 6, is bigger, so we'll round up. So it will become what? It will become 6. That is the answer. So now let's go to 4. So for say round 5,000 to three significant figure. Remember what I explained here? So now we'll have 5,000. This 5,000, they say to three significant figure. This 5,000 can be what? It can be one significant because it's only one significant figure. Uh, this 5 is a significant figure. One significant figure. Since the zeros are at the front, you can see be two significant figure. You can see be three significant figure. You can see be four significant figure. But as I write it like this, no problem. But for you to clarify it, you can say, okay, let me remove 1 0 to leave it as what? As three significant figure. Because you say 1 2 3. So you say, okay, this one, this correct to three significant figure. But even though you leave it like that 5,000, it's still no problem. Because of what? Because this one can be one significant figure. With a proof, can still be one significant figure because what? Zeros are only significant figure when they are in what? In between of non-significant and non-zeros. Like the non-zeros, we have something like 5. So this 5 now, they are the non-zeros. So since they are in between, the zero they are in between, so the zero now become significant figures. So now, I think that is all. But I want to show something. When it comes to the case of let me say decimal, when they say leave it, like now they give something like this 0.00036, they say leave it in two decimal place. Now it will be 0.12. You say 1 2, you will leave it like this because this is decimal. You don't care whether it's just like count the digit, that's all. You don't care whether it is a non-zero or it is a zero. You don't care. But after was saying they are two digits, so you can 1 2. These are the two digits, so you can leave it that way. But when it comes to significant figure, they say leave it in two significant figure. Then you must make sure that these two are inside because these are the two significant figure in this question. So I hope you understand. Please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. Thank you.